2013 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, 5-piece floor trunk mat set, auto-dimming rear view mirror, premium sound system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.